So this is my current spice collection. I've consolidated, so this is what I have remaining in my collection to organize. I'm going to organize it on this rolling unit that I got from IKEA. I absolutely love it because it's so narrow that it fits between the space, that little narrow space between the fridge and the cabinets. On top of the unit, I have my mortar and pestle. I also have my black pepper and sea salt grinders. In front of that, I have these jars. It's a set of 8. I got 2 sets from Amazon. And in front of that, I have these jars, the one with the clips that I got from the Dollar Tree. I also made these like DIY labels that I created using a label maker that I got for super cheap from Amazon. And on the bottom of the unit, I have some cooking sprays, some jars or bottles that are currently empty that I'm going to add oil to, and just a box with some knickknacks.